Everybody, CBQ from Greenzie here. We are looking at the next revision of our Wright Stander ZK top-of-the-line model outfitted with the Greenzie Autostriping software to enable auto striping. We've learned a number of things with our first couple. There's a number of hardware revisions I want to go over with you guys. These are the new camera mounts. We've gotten rid of a small blind spot we had over here. These are now running the Intel RealSense D455, an upgraded camera with better visibility, a longer throw. Much more happy about this and the placement of these. We've moved some of the components to this box, easier access. We've got the computer out because we're doing some testing on it right now and getting this thing ready to roll. Better placement, love that. We've also moved, we used to have two cameras in the back. It's now just one here, which is awesome for safety. Better placement of some of the sensors and electronics here. We're going to clean up some of this, but much better. Improved user interface on top, better buttons, more high visibility lights, sounds, stopping. These are much better and easier to operate. A number of other things that are probably you can't see. Better cabling runs for our pumps down here, and just a number of other fixes behind the scenes that we've learned from just mowing a ton. If you're interested in getting on the list to get one of these mowers, hit us up at greenzie.com. We are doing small private fleet rollouts, getting our mowers ready. Let's go.